Hey, so you want to create your own card website from scratch? Card makes it super simple to build one-page sites quickly. In this guide, I'll take you through every step from signing up to publishing your site. Go to card.co and sign up for a free account, or log in if you already have one. A free account is enough to get started, but Pro unlocks extra features like custom domains. Click New Site on your dashboard. You'll see a gallery of templates you can choose from, or you can start with a blank canvas if you want full control. Click on any element to edit text, images, or links. You can add sections, headers, buttons, forms, videos, and other elements. Adjust colors, fonts, spacing, and backgrounds to fit your style. If your site has multiple sections, add navigation links or buttons. You can link to external sites or scroll to specific sections on your page. Want to collect emails or feedback? Add a form element and connect it to an email service or download submissions directly. This helps grow your audience. Click Preview to see how your website looks on desktop and mobile. Make adjustments if anything looks off or misaligned. Once satisfied, click Publish. Free users can use a card.ko subdomain, while pro users can connect their own custom domain. Share your website link on social media, emails, or anywhere your audience is. Card sites are lightweight, so they load fast on all devices. You can edit your site anytime, add new sections, update content, or improve the design. Regular updates keep your site fresh and engaging. So yeah, that's how to create a card website from start to finish. Sign up, pick a template, customize it, add links and forms, then publish and share. In just a few minutes, you can have a professional one-page website ready to go.